If you want to find out who follows you and who doesn't follow you, I'm gonna share with you this wonderful app. You can find like plenty of apps, and they can show you who follows you and who doesn't. But my favorite one is this one. It's called Cleaner, and what you have to do is get it, and then you're gonna log in with your username and your Instagram password, and then the app is gonna do its work. So as you can see right here, the people that has like a green circle, they follow me and I follow them. And if you want to see who doesn't follow you, it's like right here, there's a few of them who, there's some people and they don't follow me. And once you see them, you can tap on them, and then go to the top where on the right side, tap on actions, and then tap on unfollow. Start now, and they're gone. If you wanna like do it again, so just go down and you'll see these people that have the orange arrow. So tap on them and then click again on actions and unfollow. Start now. And this is the way you find out who follows you and who doesn't follow you. One more thing before I finish this video. Don't abuse this app, because if you abuse it, if you use it a lot, you might get banned for Instagram. And we don't want that, because if you get banned and if you publish something, let's say that your reach was 50% of your following, and if you're banned, you're gonna get like 20%, just an example. So use this app like whenever you like feel like doing it. Use it once a day. Don't do more than 100. What I recommend is to do 20 a day, so you don't look abusive and it doesn't look like you're taking like or you're using some software to make these things faster. That's my advice. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.